Okay guys, ever wanted an elegant way to let customers browse your collections without a boring standard menu? Well, this section makes it feel premium instantly. Today, we're adding this collection showcase section to your store, letting customers switch between numbered list items to preview different collections. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Collection Showcase. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now, let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type Show, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its customizable settings open up on the left side. Now, let's scroll down and customize it together. Let's explore everything here. For example, I'll change the font family to Poppins. You can go with whatever fits your store. After that, you can customize the rest of the settings too. Right now, I'm just adding a collection. Now, let's close this and choose a collection list item, and add whichever collection you want to showcase. You can even change its name if you want something different to show up here. I'll just type Best for this one. You'll do the same thing one by one for every collection, adding and customizing each item. Once you're done with all that, hit Save and check it out in view mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.